stop long-term production database access. But manually approving requests are also not scalable. Your team drowns in tickets while hackers await errors. What if you can build multi-agent workflow to replace traditional access management systems? Just drag an access agent into your workflow. Assign agent tasks like first, it checks location risk, office, home, airport, or country. Then check for IP reputation to check if it's from known bad actor. Agent can ask access requester, is it read-only or mutation access needed? What is the business justification for accessing production database? It combines location, reputation, and permission to create risk score. If risk score is low, instant access is provided. But if reason, permission, and IP attributes are indicating high risk, escalates to security for access approval. Access granted for the time requested, but agent's work is not done yet. The agent watches every database command in real time, comparing actions with stated reasons. Mismatch between reason and actual command executed detected that indicate high risk. Agent can revoke access and send indication of compromise to security team. Audit trail gets generated. Zero bottlenecks, faster approval, and reduced privilege escalation incidents. Build intelligent zero-trust automation workflows. Ready to eliminate access chaos? Sign up for Autobot AI.